Welcome to my channel, your channel. Thank you very much. Merci beaucoup. Abonnez-vous, merci vraiment. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. I'll leave you to it. Thank you. Enjoy. Voila, I want to bandi kulamba Madesu. Now we start cooking our white beans. It's really popular in my community, white bean, but it depends. Some people, they don't eat it because after eating it, you have to stay indoors. You go to the toilet. Mingi ba balinga ngote leksa bangoli bumu mote mapasi mote mamoto. But yeah, once a while, why not? Let's cook together. Tolamba elongo. Zala motema pete sauce ebela. Yeah, the stew must be cooked. Take your time. You know that sour of a fresh tomatoes? Yes, that sour smell, that sour taste, we don't want that. But now the bean is coming for the relationship with tomato stew. So Madesu siko eye, ma wana Madesu koso pate. I'll leave you to it. Look belly, time we could servir. Yes, let's dish our dinner. Rice, white rice, not really fussy with the rice, but with onion, of course. Na moi sauce oil la kilobi. So you just make your plate beautiful to look beautiful. It's for me. Why not serve myself? And the beautiful plate, the food look great. Why not? Alors nazo ko se servir loso na madesu na liango mingite. Ale na supermarket. Me with supermarket, we are partner. I think that I think that even if I breathe, I think I breathe supermarket. Since my third pregnancy, I stuck with supermarket. Natika ngote na mela supermarket pendant les repas parce que je bois pas. Na mela alcool thé, no alcohol till I finish having my babies. So bon appétit. Eh? The sauce was very nice. Because the beans was with a stew, I prefer the chicken to be dry like that, not with any sauce on the top. Alors na li sauce nanga na tumbaki na lobby, na li yango na loso na madesu ekenda toujours bien. Na moi malili pembeni. Ah, la vie continue. Hein? Et à la prochaine. Bye.